Okay, so I bought this crazy good laptop at 62,000 rupees and just listen to the specs. RTX 4050 GPU, Intel Core i5 12 Gen H series processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 144Hz display and even an RGB keyboard. Yes, this is the Colorful Evol P15 laptop and it offers very good specs for the price. So I went ahead and bought this on 25th of April. The laptop got delivered at our office on 29th of April. All of us were very happy. We did the unboxing, placed the laptop on the table, opened the lid and pressed the power button, and we saw this error. Out of the box, the Windows installation was corrupt and it wasn't booting into the initial setup. Yes, your brand new laptop just wouldn't start, and this is not even the beginning of the story. So we filed the replacement request on the same day on Flipkart and then waited patiently for the pickup. On 1st of May, delivery partner from Flipkart came for the pickup, but he denied picking up the laptop because the serial number on the laptop and the serial number on the invoice didn't match. At this point, we thought, should we even review this laptop? But even if we weren't going to review this, we still needed a working unit. So we decided to file a replacement request on Flipkart on 3rd of May. This time we had to call and explain the entire thing to Flipkart's customer executive to place a replacement request again. Finally, on 6th of May, we got the replacement unit, which was thankfully working fine. Even after all this, we still decided to go ahead with the video on this laptop because it seemed like a good product and we thought it deserved to be shown. So we started the testing process. I updated it to the latest Windows version, installed apps and games, moved my workspace to it so that I could test it out properly, and also played some games on it. That was day 1. On the next day when I came to office, I ran some benchmarks on the laptop and then turned it off to let it cool. Now when I tried turning it on again, it booted into the recovery mode all of a sudden. I got 2 options on the screen: troubleshoot or turn off the PC. I know only one way of troubleshooting: turning off and turning on. 90% of the time it works, but in this scenario it didn't. After turning off the laptop, when I tried turning it on, I was greeted with this error message. I could have installed a fresh Windows 11 on this, but wait. No one likes such a bad experience on their brand new laptop. So I chose not to go ahead with it. Rather, I decided to call their service center to get it fixed. I called them on 7th of May to register a complaint. I called again on 9th to check the status, but as it turns out, our complaint was never even registered. So we had to file again. I waited for 4 more days and called them on 13th, but nothing happened. And today it's 17th of May and we are still waiting to hear from them. So we are left with this crazy, powerful, value for money gaming laptop that just doesn't work. One thing is very clear: good specs doesn't always mean a good product. I understand that this is Colorful's first attempt at a laptop and the first version products are not always fully cooked, but I wasn't expecting this bad of an experience. So I personally recommend you guys to stay away from this laptop. However, I do want to leave some feedback for Colorful so that they can improve with their next launch. They should heavily focus on quality control issues and also have a proper service and support system in place, because aggressive pricing alone cannot do the trick. I hope this video helped you. If it did, press that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos like this one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.